On our project in Trimble Siteworks today, we're looking at a project that's an intersection. We have all of our line work that looks pretty decent. As we zoom up, we can see all the stationing and center line and edge of pavements, shoulders, ditch lines. But one of the great features in Trimble Siteworks is being able to have a background image selected. If we go into Trimble Synchronizer folder data, we see that this project has design, work orders, our site XML, our DC, and our task log. We do not have a background map folder in here. So by going to our settings, choosing settings and image, and soon as we go to display an image background, now we go and select on add an image. The image is located in my D drive, and it is wood PK plan full, and I hit accept. It brings the whole plan in. I only really want to bring in sheet 13, and we have our main line going through with our intersection. It gets us most of the project. So I'm going to select on import. The selected image is missing the world file. Do you want to georeference the image so it can be used as a background image? Yes, we want to do that. First thing I'm going to zoom up on is my image over here. And I'm going to zoom up so I can see this says 63 plus 50 is the ending point of the project. 63 plus 50. I'm going to select on 63 plus 50 right there. And then I'll come over on this side and I'm going to zoom up till I find 63 plus 50 over here. I'll click on this spot right here. Now I go to define point number 2, which I'm going to go to the far end of the project again. And this one is going to be 52 plus 50. I'm going to click on that spot. Then I'll do the same on this line work till I find 5250, which is right here at the end. I click on that. So we have them both referenced at both ends. Now I click on accept. Once again, I click on accept. Our image has now been georeferenced to the project. We can add more pages, but this here gives me a pretty good starting point to go off of. If I want to change the transparency, I always can go back to my image and I can change the transparency to 70% and click accept, and you'll see that it dims it down. If you want it more bold, we can change that to 10%, and it's going to show a lot crisper through the project. So this has been a way that we can go through and georeference an image. If I look back in my Trimble Synchronizer data folder, now it shows that I do have background images as a folder. And I click on it and it shows the page that I georeferenced. This has been georeferencing an image in Trimble Siteworks.